Hey, what's going on, everyone? I'm currently in Gadsden, Alabama at Notasulga Falls. I'm going to turn the camera around and let you look. It's very beautiful up here. Got the statue right there. Got somebody laying up under the waterfall down there. But back to what I was saying, if you have never been here, I recommend coming. It was worth every bit of that 3-hour ride coming here. It's north of Talladega. Very beautiful area. This waterfall is awesome. But hit that subscribe button. I'll talk to you all later.